name is Shayna, and in today's video I'll be doing a grocery shopping haul as well as a clean and organize my fridge. So let's get started. So guys, this is the grocery haul that we got for the week. I'm going to be going over all the items that we purchased that's going to last us for the week. So I got some Coca-Cola in the stevia flavored. I really like the fact that it's naturally sweetened with stevia. I also purchased some chunky light tuna as well as eggs. My kids really enjoy eating the Chips Ahoy chewy tender cookies, so I got the regular size one as well as the family sized one. We also got some chicken noodle soup in the regular version as well as the spicy version. We have some hand sanitizer, and these are the only sizes we could find right now, so I bought at least 3 of them. We also have the Lysol laundry sanitizer as well as wet ones. And I also have the Lysol spray as well as the Lysol multi-surface cleaner. I also picked up these toilet wands. I really like using them. I saw Alexandra Buter use it on her channel, and I thought I wanted to give it a try and see how they worked. And I really like the way they clean the toilet bowls. They really do a really good job of getting under the toilet ring and cleaning it really well, so I do recommend these. I also have the Bounty paper towel rolls as well as the Annie's macaroni and cheese. My kids really like this flavored one, which is the aged cheddar one. I also have some pancake mix, some Pepperidge Farm double chocolate cookies. These are my favorites. My kids like the goldfish in the cheddar version. I also have some muffins. My son really likes the banana chocolate chip one, and my daughter really likes the blueberry one. I also have some chips as well as some brown sugar oatmeal. My kids' favorite juice to drink is the Kiju organic grape and apple. I also have some Oreo thins as well as some Vienna sausage. I also got some canned soups, some milk. My kids really like milk, so I got them the grass-fed milk by Rolling Meadow. That's their favorite one. We also have some peanut butter as well as pasta, some rice, and bananas. I also got the kids' medicine, so I got the Tylenol fever and pain one, which is in banana berry, as well as the Advil in dye-free grape flavored. And I also got the Tylenol Complete in bubblegum flavored. So these are some of the things that we bought for this week that we thought we needed for the week. And this is our grocery haul. So right now, guys, I'm going to be going inside the fridge and taking everything out and then cleaning it and reorganizing everything. Next, what I'm going to be doing is showing you guys how it looks when I take everything out. There's a lot of crumbs, so I have to vacuum and wipe everything down. So here is what the shelf looks like inside.
Love is intense. Quand je te vois, mon cœur bat.
Right now, what I'm doing is washing the bins I took out with the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap in the honeysuckle scent.
Love is intense, je serai là toujours pour toi.
This is what the bin looks like after washing it. Next, I vacuumed inside the fridge with my Dyson. Then I used the Method Anti-Bac in the citron scent to wipe down the fridge inside. I will be repacking the fridge, soft drinks and juices at the top. The second shelf is for milk, juice, eggs, and the last shelf is going to be for the extra food. Here, I'm going to be taking all the pictures and magnets off the fridge and wiping it down with the Mrs. Meyer's Anti-Bac Cleaner. So this is the finished product, guys. When I open the doors, you will see that the top shelf has all the juices and the pop, like the Coke, the Pepsi, the Kool-Aid, the Kiju, grape and apple flavor. The second shelf is milk, juice, and eggs. The third shelf has all the condiments on it. On the sides, as you see. Then there's salad dressing, maple syrup, pasta sauces, and ketchup, as well as mayo. This shelf inside is where I put all the cheeses, the cream cheeses, and the deli meats are in there. Then in the last drawer, you will see the fruits and the veggies. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, please give this video a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.